Alright guys, so step one is going to be to get out all of these little push pins, which I have already taken out. I took out this charger plate here. There's going to be a bolt here, which is like a 10 millimeter. Same thing on the other side. And then we'll have some other ones to get out below. I got to take off my splitter. And then we'll get into the wheel wells and go from there. Let's do it. Alright guys, so ran into a snag on the splitter on the bottom. The screws are basically crap, so I got two that are stuck, so I'm gonna have to get those out. But while I was thinking about it, I was like, well, I'm gonna have to get into the fender well, obviously, and I had put it up on the ramps versus just putting it up on jack stands and taking the wheels off. So mental note, if you're going to take off the front bumper, don't do what I did and just jack it up in the first place, put it on jack stands. So anyway, I'm going to get the rear, or I'm going to get the fender walls out, and then let's see, next will be to get the last few screws out of the splitter, and then we'll start going through the bolts. And I'll kind of, as I'm doing it, I'll show you guys where they're at. But step one is going to be, you know, get your wheels off. Yeah. Spacers, you know, all that good stuff. And then got a bunch of these push tabs here all the way through. You probably can't see very good, but I'm going to take out basically all of these just to get this whole fender wall part out. That way it's really easy to access, or at least get most of them out so I can pull it back and tuck it back behind the rotor. So we will give that a shot and see how it goes. Alright guys, what a pain in the ass. Alright, so you're gonna have to get, once you get, kind of hard to see, but basically there's gonna be two bolts way up here, way the fuck up here. But there's two 10 millimeters. You got to get this off this light plug, you know, to your fog lights and your side markers. And I went on and took the engine piece off, unhooked everything else, got about 100 of these stupid push pins out. Two bolts up here, looks like right here. And let's pull this bumper off. Jeez, that was loud. Sorry. There we go. Oh yeah. And here's everything else. Oddly enough, I thought this went through that little duct, but it is not. This is just, that's your intake, right? So it's coming just from the fender well. I don't see anything that routes any air upward from the front. So I think Burnsies had cut a hole in that, but I'm gonna have to look. But anyway, so this is where we're at. Let's get this headlight loose, and then we will get the snorkel put in. Alright guys, so this was kind of a weird situation, but so, you know, our T's, I guess, maybe are slightly different than Scat Packs, of course, you know, because 5764. But anyway, so the factory piece is here, and it's a little different. It doesn't have like the rubber with the, you know, staples in it. It's just one big piece. Then, you know, other videos that I've seen people doing this. So what I ended up having to do was put both of them on top of each other, because this piece, the snorkel piece, doesn't actually go all the way back and touch the radiator, and I didn't really want to leave it just open like that. So I took basically and just, you know, used my little saw there and just sawed out a piece out of the stock part to make this one fit over top of it, and then I really just like squeezed them together to get the snorkel in. Now, just an FYI too, if you have the Mopar cold air intake, it has a nice little hole here, but that hole is not low enough for this snorkel, so I had to cut into my box as well to get the intake tube, or the snorkel tube in there. So that's kind of where we're at the moment, but I'm gonna start putting it back together. Let's see how it goes. More air. What is up, YouTube? It's Jason, Bailey, and Eli with Austin RT.
Hi YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube, buddy. Hi, YouTube. There we go. So, wanted to make a quick video on our way to Lexington today to talk about the install that I just showed you, which really wasn't that much video, but I was on a time crunch to go pick these guys up. So, yes, and I was 30 minutes late, but hey, it happens, right? Yes. Yes. But anyway, so yesterday I did install the Hellcat Snorkel. Intake tube, whatever you want to call it, snorkel, I think, and the shield in the front for by the radiator. So overall install was not terrible. Ran into a few. What? It wasn't terrible. It was not bad. It was not bad. I mean, I got a few cuts and scrapes, but that was just because I was rushing.
The bumper came off.
The bumper did come off. The bumper has to come off to install that.
Poor Lulu lost her eyes.
She did, yeah, for just a minute. But anyway, so it did go pretty well. I mean, I had a pretty good idea of how it all came off, just watching other videos on YouTube and stuff. So, wait, Jesus, you scared me, son. Good Lord Almighty. Anyway, so I did, oh man, this is not going to work. There is a bug flying around in here. But, I've done lost my train of thought. Jesus. Cut. Anyway, so we got it installed, and overall I do notice a difference. Have you noticed a difference in the car since I put it in yesterday? What's the difference?
It sounds louder and she's getting more air.
Oh, yes, she is. Super air intake. Hellcat Air.
I know a lot about cars, wink wink.
It's because your dad's awesome.
Yeah. Really.
That sounds very sarcastic. Anyway, that's really all to this video. I have not been able... Let's check some intake air temperatures actually real quick. Please hold.
SOS.
No performance stages. So current temperature outside is showing at 86. So right now I'm cruising at 34 miles per hour because there's a slow BMW in front of me. Let's go to gauges 2. Woo! That is not right. There's no way. I guess it could be accurate. We'll see. So let's wait till we get a little faster. Right now, intake air temperature is way up there at 95, and it is 86. So that's 10 degrees, 11 degrees over ambient. No. I can't add that. 9 degrees over ambient, which, man, I guess it's not terrible, but
everybody, comment down below if you want me in the next video, because I haven't been in.
don't do that.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, this is not your YouTube channel.
What the fuck?
Okay, BMW moved. Let's get some gas. Alright, so we got some ram air going on now. Let's see if this thing updates. I don't think, yeah, there it goes. It's going down. It went to 93.
Daddy, the highest we can go is 95.
It's like I'm trying to, the goal is to get it to ambient air temperature, which is 85 degrees right now. So it's still 10 degrees over. So we'll see. Now, granted, with the, I don't know, the Bubba cold air intake, as far as the seal, I know it's touching because my intake, or my engine bay is dirty. And I can't see where the seal is touching all the way around, but there's a big gap in the front. So I don't know, I might try to seal that up and then kind of go from there. But now it looks like we're still running about 93 degrees. I need to slow down a little bit. But anyway, overall, can't go wrong with more airflow, and I still need an unlocked PCM and a tuner to really get all the benefits out of all the modifications so far. So we'll see. That's expensive. Can't afford that right now. You guys are expensive.
But subscribe down below and link to my father's YouTube channel.
Yes.
It's awesome. And go to his Instagram. What?
Nothing, darling.
What?
That was a good closing. But you forgot to say the have a good night. Enjoy those Mopars.
I haven't been on this channel in a while. That's why you guys need to comment down below.
Anyways, you guys have a great day. Enjoy those Mopars.